My name's Ryan. This is a 1972 Ford Mustang Convertible, and we're doing some work on the panels, continuing work on the panels and on the interior. So we just touched some of that up. Next up, that's for another day, is the carpet here. It's pretty old, probably original, and it's seen better days. So we're going to replace that. We've pulled off the panels on that door, and are about to pull off the panel on this door. So here's the panel we took off the other door. This is the lower side where the carpet is, and there's a bit of chrome. It's sort of right there. We're about to pull that off, and I've watched some of the other videos. They say you have to be very, very, very careful with these guys. They're delicate and they break, and they're also very pokey and sharp and can impale. So we're going to pull those out. We're going to take the carpet off. You can see it's stapled on here on the bottom. And then we went on CJ Pony Parts and we got some carpet with the overhang of the vinyl, and hopefully we just slide it back on there, situate it, align it, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll post a part 2 to the video and we'll let you know how it goes.